Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm talking about who's responsible for SSL certificate renewals in 2024. Well, there's three flavors in this recipe. First off is the website owner. Second is the web hosting provider, because some providers will provide SSL certificate as part of the package for the hosting that you purchased. Okay, and then the third one, if you bought the SSL certificate, the provider will sometimes send reminders. They'll send email to the person that bought the certificate. Hey, it's going to expire pretty soon. You ought to take care of this. So monitoring your SSL certificate, first one on the list, the website owner. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on theguyrcookreport.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.